Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful day in Minnesota. We lost all the snow. It's now 62 degrees. And we are going to be building a half pipe with my homie Stay Steezy. He's a full-time streamer and YouTuber. I'll put his link right here. Click on that, show him some love. But anyways, we're gonna go to the wood store. We're gonna be building a 5-foot half pipe. And we're gonna show you guys how to build one. And yeah, all the tools you need and all that shit. But we're gonna go to the wood store right now. Peace. Alright guys, the first thing you guys need 4x8, 3/4 plywood. Make sure it's not particle board. Particle board is not very sturdy or anything like that. So just 3/4. Kind of sucks building this right now because wood and lumber is skyrocketing on prices right now. So I mean, for the price of this half pipe would probably be, you know, like 20-30% more than what it would be like a couple months ago. But since COVID hit, people have just been building like crazy. So we're gonna get 3/4 plywood and then we'll go from there. About 8.
8 more? I have a couple more bunks. If you want to wait a few minutes, I can put another one in here.
So there wasn't enough room on the little tray that I had. So now we need 2x4s while it gets another stack of plywood down. And your 2x4s, you want it to be 4x8 also, because after they get too long, they start bowing. You'll have like, it's gonna be really hard to get the 2x4 straight, and like especially when you put in like the first skin of plywood on it, they're gonna be all like bowed and stuff. So you want to make sure you don't go anything more than 2x4x8, unless you're gonna cut them up. You could go longer. Sweaty. It's a lot of work by yourself. I had one of the guys help me too, but they ran out of plywood, so we only got 7 sheets, so that might be enough to get one side done. Because since we're doing a 5-foot, you actually got to use the 4-foot plus like a 1 extension, so you got to pretty much cut, you know, a quarter off of the other one. It's more like, probably more like 2 feet to cut it in shape and everything. So we're gonna do a half pipe that's 5 foot by 16 feet. So 2 8-foot sections you gotta put together. So I think we should be able to finish that with 7. And then I got 20 2x4s to start with, which is not even nearly enough. But we'll start with that because I don't think we're gonna get more than half the half pipe done a day anyways. And we're gonna show you how to cut the transition, how to find the transition, where to put the studs at, and then we're gonna show you how to do how long your half pipe should be accordingly, and go from there. But we just have enough wood for the rest of the day, I believe. Now I gotta not drive like a maniac and let all the wood fly out of the truck bed, because that would not be good. It kind of sucks they ran out of 3/4 plywood. Not ideal, but I have another wood store closer to home, so we're gonna pick up my kid right now and then go grab Steezy and we're gonna build this shit. Let's get it, boys. What's up? So we're back in. We got Mr. Steezy with us. Where'd he go? What's up? We're out of breath. We skated for like 3.5 minutes.
We're fucking old. We're getting old.
So the first thing we're gonna do is start with this 3/4 board that we got laid out. Since the half pipe, we're gonna come down to a 2x4, which I think is 2.5 or 3 inches. I don't remember. 4 inches. I don't know. But we just marked at the bottom, and then what we do is we do a line, like I think it's like 70 inches out, and then it makes a curvature of the ramp, so it's true the whole way. And then we cut that, make the template, and then just cut that. We need 4 templates to finish the first quarter of the half pipe. All right, so the first step we're gonna do is gonna mark the 2x4 at the end of the quarter pipe, and which is Steezy's doing right now. What's up, Steezy?
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just holding them.
All right. So we're gonna square that because that's gonna be the end of us. All right, so we got the first cut down, guys. We did 76 inches, 78 inches with the string, and then we just drag it across like a, what do they call that?
Compass? No.
It's kind of like a compass, but it's like that protractor. There we go. And I got Sharpie on my face, I guess. But we cut it, so it's, the cut is all good. Now we just gotta do the top half, and we're done with one template. One template.
Section.
We're not going that fast, are we?
No, this fucking taking forever.
Steezy has no faith in us.
Well, I just thought like, yo, we're gonna build this thing. We're gonna fucking shred it today. We're gonna rip it apart.
Holy shit! Hello, salamander. Oh my god!
Dude, he's all fucking dirty.
Yeah, he's in the shop.
You finally cleaned them.
Dude, this thing's so freaky.
I'm not kidding.
I'm scared he's gonna bite me.
Salander's bite, dude?
I don't know. You want to try out?
The fuck?
Did you unplug us?
Sit back, let it
Oh.
get the safety on it. You have to push a button.
This button here.
Oh my fucking god.
We got it, Steezy.
Just tell me this shit? Alright,
We got it, Steezy. Alright guys, so we got most of the templates cut out. I may or may not fucked up, or Steezy may or may not have fucked up.
Whoa.
But somebody hit the saw on the seahorse, or the sawhorse. It might have dented or bent, or the thing doesn't cut no more. So we're sending our homie Gavin out to the store to get us a new blade. But while we do that, we're gonna do half of the skeleton since we got most of the templates done. What you pretty much do is you take the 2x4, either the front or the back, usually on the front, and then every 8 inches you put the 2x4 dead center on the 8 inches, and you split the difference. And you go all the way up to the top. And then you do that to the next side and you connect it all. So we'll show you here in a minute. All right, so we marked every 8 inches on both of them. Can we get a focus? There we go. So every 8 inches, all the way up to here. And then now we do the 2x4s. All right, so we got the first skeleton, quarter of the ramp done. It looks good. It's kind of a headache. We got it done. Steezy learned how to build ramps.
Fucking easy. In my first rodeo.
Malik did all the work he can.
The majority of it.
More work than that.
Hey Malik,
Gotta get it in.
what are you doing there, buddy?
Ride my scooter. Don't worry about it, people.
Why are you on a scooter, buddy?
I ride dirt bikes. I crashed.
Crashed.
I crashed.
Should have stayed to BMXing.
No.
You would have been doing fine. Oh my God, you sketched me out. Oh my God.
Good thing you didn't see that.
You almost die?
Come on, put down.
It's easy. No, you're good. I'm just kind of flow in the park a little bit. Hi, YouTube.
What's up, bud? Hey, buddy.
Hey, Bedeau.